Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday, June 30th, last day of the month. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. It is a hot one here in Michigan. It's like 105 or something like that. Definitely staying in today, watching some World Cup. Pretty exciting game earlier with the France beating Argentina. But now we have an Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And this is coming from, MOKCAO. My good friends over at MOKCAO. Check them out. The link is going to be down below, where you guys can get one at a low cost. And also take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. And the trunk service now they got. And the Prime lockers. What do we have here? Downtown. Oh yeah. Oh jeez. We got one of these bad boys with Alexa voice.
That's so nice. Just ask me what you'd like me to do.
Oh
And I'll
jeez.
try my best to help.
See, she always has to make a appearance, but it is compatible with her. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all the great stuff. For the sound quality, it'll be on my Instagram page. If you guys want to hear it. Oh, it's kind of weird. Globe went upside down today. Oh, man. There we go. MOKCAO Power Plus. Nice. Now I'm going to set it up on the app. Get it going, connected. All that good stuff. But I'll show you what it looks like. Oops. Here's the box. There we go. Model number. And if they do have a discount stuff, it'll be down in the middle. So check them out. This would be nice for your apartment, condo, garage, man cave. 4 hours charge time. Good stuff. 20 watts battery. Alright. Here we go. Open down the hatch. We go down the hatch. Ooh, there's a hatch. Oopsie. Something like this. And there we go. Uh-oh. Rip it. Sometimes you just gotta rip it. Oh well, cut it. Can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Box is destroyed. There we go. We got it open. And nothing else in the box. Nope. You got the, drop you guys down. Good old manual. Don't need that. Got some USBs, audio jacks, all that good stuff. Warranty card. Another one. Boom. Alright. Oh, that's nice. There's that. For a cell phone. Audio built in. Oh, nice. Got the bottom. Charge, aux. Should light up. I think once I programmer everything, this is nice though. Kind of interesting with the hole in the middle. Definitely curious to see how these sound. And like I said, the sound will be on my Instagram later on this evening. After 5-ish. I want it shut though. Is that what it looks like from there? Get in their hole. Okay, this guy gotta go down. Bloop. There we go. Ah, there it goes. There's a snap. Uh-oh, my phone's gonna die. Somewhat. Got enough juice. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. MOKCAO And good old Amazon Prime. Bluetooth. All that good stuff. I'm gonna have to charge my phone. Set this up. There we go. And see how it goes. So, alright YouTubers, you guys be safe. This is a MOKCAO Power Plus. Alexa voice activated. And that'll be it for today. You guys have a good weekend. Stay cool out there. If you guys are from Michigan and every other part around us, stay cool and be safe. And see you possibly tomorrow. See ya. Sorry about that. I almost forgot. This is for the Alexa Echo. You can put it up in here. Drop it down like that. Look at that. Somehow gotta line it up a little bit better. Hopefully my phone don't die because it's like at 4%. And there we go. I think it's plugged in. Come on. Get in your hole. Don't be shy. Get in the hole. You know what? I can't do it. There we go. Alright. Sweet. Take a look at this. Boom. Alexa has a new home. It should be Bluetooth. Should read it once I register it. Everything. Whoop. Alexa? She's still loading up. She's got a little shock therapy for logging into this new speaker, but sounds connected. Alexa? Yeah, see, it's gonna take a minute because I just unplugged it, but this is awesome. Alright, and then you can charge it up with the USB charger right in underneath here. Plug it in. There we go. Alexa, weather today.
In St.
Come on, don't do it. Alexa, weather. Uh-oh.
Sorry, your Echo Dot lost its connection.
Oh yeah? Very loud. There we go. Alexa, what is the weather today?
In St. Clair Shores, there's an excessive heat warning in effect until Sunday, July 1st,
Wow.
12 a.m. The current weather is 80 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather, with a high of 93 degrees and a low of 74 degrees.
That's pretty hot. Thank you, Alexa. So, pretty cool. Definitely check them out. Now, this Alexa has a holder for it. Won't get dusty. Makes a nice little add-on feature. And you can take this with you, portable, on your boats, camping trips. Have Alexa tell you the World Cup scores. Alexa, World Cup.
France beat Argentina 4-3.
See? Really cool. Pretty loud. But if you guys really want to hear the music, I'll definitely put it on Instagram a little bit later on this evening. But hopefully that was a good enough example of how quality is. Sounds clear. But the bass and everything I'm kind of curious about too. So for music and everything. But awesome stuff. Check them out. Link is be down below. Be safe and see ya.